Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're going to dive into the Fields editor and explore how to format tokens together. Let's kick things off with the Fields editor. To get there, simply click on Manage Fields in the Fields panel or tap the cog icon under Sources in Custom Data Source. You can build your unique schema of fields, especially when you're working with apps other than Airtable. Now let's take a closer look at the Fields editor and the different field types. We have two main categories: primitive and complex fields. Primitive fields, which are strings, numbers, booleans, and dates. Complex fields that are objects, collections, and lists. First up, let's talk about lists. A list is basically an array of primitive values. Think of it as an ingredients list for your favorite recipe. You can repeat these ingredients in Documint and decide how you want them displayed, either separated by commas or spaces. We'll check that out a bit later. Next is the object field type, which is an item with different properties. In this case, a customer object field holds the name, address, bank info, and account number of a customer, all in one place. Then we have the collection field, which you can think of as a variety dish. It's an array of objects, grouping them along with their properties. Imagine an object as a single dish with name and price properties. Now, a collection field would be more like a menu with several dishes, each with its own details. Let's create a new field together. I'm going to add a tax field. Super easy. Just click the Add Field button and choose the field type, which will be a number field this time. Once you save it, you'll see the new field pop up in the Fields panel. Just drag and drop it into your template when you're ready. Now let's get to the fun part: formatting the tokens. First, we'll format the Date Issued field. You can access the token's properties by double-clicking it. You have the option to choose a standard format or create a custom one. Let's take a quick peek at both formats. Here's the standard format. Looks good. And here's the custom format. Very nice. We can also spruce up the numbers. Right now, they might not look as polished as we'd like, so let's fix that. Head back to the editor and double-click the number token for the price. We'll format it as currency and make sure it has 2 decimal places. Perfect. We can do the same for the other currencies too. For the tax, we'll format it as a percentage, and for the quantity, it's a plain number. But feel free to add a decimal if that suits you. Let's take a look at how everything turned out. Ta-da! Everything looks fantastic. Oh, and if you happen to have a rich text field, just double-click the token and set the text type to Markdown. This will help you display line breaks, bolded text, links, and even HTML. If you're connected to Airtable, the great news is that the field types will automatically map based on your base's setup. The process to format the tokens stays the same, so you're all set. Here's a handy tip. If you have a list of items, you can set Documint to show just one specific item and pick which one you want under the Return Type option. And guess what? You can even perform calculations using the token properties. If you want to display the subtotal without adding an extra field in your base, just add the total field from Line Items, double-click it, and select the Sum option. Easy peasy. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining me, and if you have any questions or need a helping hand, just reach out to our support team. See you next time, and happy formatting.